Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm sharing with you about one of my newest automatic robotic traders, and that is GoBabyTrade. GoBabyTrade is a great system. It's passive income. You don't have to worry about anything. It runs autonomously. So it's for stocks and it's for crypto. The beauty of it is it takes the crypto and uses the volatility of the market to actually produce profit. GoBabyTrade is a fully robotic trading system designed to automate cryptocurrency and stock trading. It aims to maximize profits by continually trading and taking advantage of the market's volatility. The program is designed to lock in profits through frequent buying and selling. Not high frequency, but just frequent. There's no software to download or there's no installation required. You only need an email to sign up. So, how does it work? Well, GoBabyTrade employs a buy low, sell high approach. The system buys more of cryptocurrency or stock when the price dips and it sells as the price increases. AI algorithms are used to calculate buy and sell points automatically. The AI aims to improve the platform's profitability. Trades are executed throughout trusted exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. And if you're going to do stocks, it's going to be through TradeStation. So, some of the features of this beautiful platform, it is fully autonomous, it runs 24/7, totally unattended for passive income. It maximizes your profit. It always aims to take profits at every opportunity, and it has a user friendly interface. It is web based and there's no software required to download. And you have the opportunity to use paper trading simulation before you go to live trading to give you a chance to kind of give it a feel. Compatibility, well, it's through Coinbase and Kraken and through TradeStation for stocks. The API is only for these two platforms currently and is designed for everybody, regardless of account balance or experience. And I can definitely attest to that because when I started getting involved with cryptocurrency, I did not know anything about it. So I learned and studied, and I'm still learning, and I will probably always be learning about the market. But this cryptocurrency trader actually does trading. It actually doesn't buy and hold. It turns profits at every opportunity and it buys on the price dips. So stocks go up and down, cryptocurrencies go up and down, but they don't let prices move around without making money on this trader. GoBabyTrade is designed to trap the market, profiting from every upward movement. The goal is to stop letting prices move around without the user making money. That's when you want to take advantage of the volatilities when the platform, when the currencies are trading up and down. There is no stop losses prevented in this system, and we'll look at the system here momentarily. But stop loss is designed to lock in your losses. Where in GoBabyTrade, it actually buys a little bit more inventory a little at a time as the price comes down. And it's got great money management. The capital is maintained to reserve your funds for continuous buying and selling. It's never going to run out of money, and you'll always make profit. It never takes a losing trade. And it uses AI, so it pauses trades if there's a higher probability of success. And it's leveraging that AI to determine whether to hold off on buying or if it thinks it's going to go higher, it'll raise uh, the 95% probability. When it sees that, then it will actually hold off until the next increment it triggers the buy. So it's easy to get started. Sign up, create an account with just only an email address. I'll be sure to link the information below. Stick around for the video because I've got something great to announce about this platform too that I can offer my viewers. You can simulate trade. You can start with paper trading and then test the system out. Once you get in there, you can select are the cryptocurrencies that you'd like to trade. There's three set up by default by the creator. This is created by Ed Barsano. Ed Barsano is a very creative man. He started back as one of the first 300 developers in Microsoft back in the 80s. And in 89, he started even using the first AI. He was one of the first 300 Microsoft developers. This is a secure trading environment. The funds are held on exchanges, not the GoBabyTrade platform. So it does not hold your funds. The funds are stored on whatever exchange that you're using, either Coinbase or Kraken. That's the only two APIs that are set up for this platform right now. And quite frankly, these are the best platforms to use. It connects through API key, and that's what tells the buys and sells from the trader to your Coinbase or Kraken. There's extra protection. The servers are totally separate from the internet and only connects through an API from your Coinbase or Kraken account. There is a lot of potential rewards the system can operate and replicate in a bull market or a bear market. It's wonderful. Even if the market's down, it still makes trades on the wiggles. We'll get into it in a little bit. The historical average is more than 100% ROI, and historical data shows the potential for returns even during market downturns. Past performance is not indicative of future results, though, as you all know. They have a great support line, and the website is crypto.gobabytrade.com. And I have an exclusive discount for you, my viewers. But let's get into it. Let's look at the GoBabyTrade. Of course, this is the home screen. And for sure, it looks a little archaic, but you know what? It works just fine, and I'm not worried about the looks. But when we go here, we can look at a simulated trader right here on GoBabyTrade. This account has $100,000 in it, but we'll look at it. So this account, which is an actual account, which is hidden, the information over here on the left is hidden from this actual account, but you can see the coins that it's trading. It's trading ACH, Doge, GRT, and SHIB. And so you can see the realized profit in this account is right here on this realized P&L, and all this in the blue, or kind of blue, purple, whatever you want to call it. This is the profits that these coins have earned. You see these unrealized profits? This is the inventory that this coin is holding. So when it goes up, it'll sell off that inventory automatically. As you can see, the total profit and loss is just the difference. Really, the only important thing you want to look at here is the realized profit and loss. What the coin is doing today, the price, the quantity you own, the market value of that quantity, and then your unrealized P&L and realized P&L and total P&L. As you can see down here, it just bought ACH, did 296,161.9 shares. So it added to the positions. It passed the rule. Whatever rule you have set, mine is set for 3%. When the stock goes up 3%, it sells. When it goes down 3%, it buys. That is adjustable. Then it bought it at 6:43 a.m. And you can see it also sold ACH at 4:16 a.m. By the way, this is on Eastern Standard Time, and it gained $216.98 on that trade. So as you can see, it has the day's activities. It records every activity here when you buy or sell, and you can track this. My own personal account, I'll share with you. I started with the trader with $3,000 on the 15th. I bought it probably right after the first of the year and did paper trading there for 4 weeks, and then I went live. So this is my trader right here. My account balance is $3,343.48. I had just made $1 profit at 9:57. I didn't see that. And whenever you make a profit, it rings a bell and it comes up with a splash screen telling you how much profit you made. It's so cool. But today I've taken $1.78 profit. So I started with 3,000, and in only 30 days I have taken $380.33 in profit. This is actually 29 days, but that's 12.6% profit. I'm pleased. And as you can see, it hasn't taken any losing trades at all. It keeps buying inventory on the dips, and you can adjust that. If you think it's buying too much, you can stop it from buying. Just don't close the position, though. I'll show you how to do that. If you close the position, you're liable to lose out. But let's go ahead and open this little plus sign here. And as you can see, ACH, the next estimated trade price and volume is it's waiting for it to hit 0.24674, and then I'm going to buy 1,232.6 shares. And it's going to be making that money for me. So it tells you on each open position what the trade profit is to go, price to go before you hit that target. Once it hits that target, it automatically takes the profit. You don't have to do anything. So I've got several open positions with ACH. And as you can see, let me go back here. ACH has generated me $144.97 in these 30 days, which I thought was pretty good. And then I also started trading XYO, and it's doing pretty good. But I didn't start trading XYO until, let me see. Oh, I guess I didn't log when I started trading that one, but that wasn't one of the first ones I started with. I started with ACH, GRT, and SHIB. That's the three that comes on by default. And you can change them. We'll get into it. So I've got some open positions in GRT. As you can see, $99 worth of open positions. I actually told it to stop trading that because I got so many open positions in GRT. I want it to not buy any more right now. I want it to wait till it goes up some so I can realize some profit and then go back down and trading and start trading again. And Jasmine, it's doing good. Stop trading Jasmine on 131, and I'm just allowing the sales only because I've got a lot of open positions there too, as you can see. But once it goes up, man, I'm going to cash out on those. And then SHIB. And so as you can see, you can go down through here and see what open positions that you have and how it's doing, how many there are, and what it's going to make when it goes up. And then XYO, I'm trading that. I started trading XYO and it's doing pretty good. So XYO and ACH are two of the ones that are doing well for me. So what I want to do, I think, is kind of show you a little bit about how to change some of your settings. And then here is the available currencies. These have all the currencies that's been vetted by Coinbase and Kraken. Some of the currencies are not available on Kraken, but Coinbase has vetted a lot of them. So as you can see here, I've got ACH trading at 25% of my funds, and I'm allowing that to buy and sell. I've stopped buying SHIB and WTF. I don't know. Yeah, because SHIB, I've got so many open. It's doing good. I really should maybe go back and let that go some more, buy some more SHIB. And then that's all you got to do, and then tell it to save all settings. And you can add different coins in here. I think what I'm going to do is stop trading GRT. I think I'm going to just stop trading GRT and add SHIB back in and tell SHIB to just stop trading SHIB for a little bit. And then there we go. And then I want to see how that's going to do. So I'm going to be trading ACH, Jasmine, SHIB, and WIF and XYO because I'm tracking these, how they do on a continual basis. And XYO is doing really good. And I don't remember what day I started allowing that to buy. I can go, but you get an email each and every day at midnight after the clock ticks over to midnight, and it tells you exactly what you bought, what you sold, everything. It tells you your daily profit report. This is the profits ever since I've had the trader. I went live on the 15th. It started buying on the 16th, and the very next day it started taking profit. I profit $5.71, and on and on. So every day it is actually taking profit. And then on the 26th, 6 days after inauguration, I think SHIB went up over 100%. So I got $100 profit that day. So that was really, really good. But most days it's a little bit down there. I like it when it's about $20 or $30 a day. I'm even satisfied with 17. But yesterday I only did $1.11 in realized profits, and that's okay. Some days you may not see anything. It just keeps buying inventory as it goes down, but it doesn't buy it like on and on and on. So it will buy it the max open in a single day. It will only do it twice. So when adding a position as to the price declines, the price may go down 2+ times required for the amount to add to a position. So, for example, if you're adding on a 2% drop, the software may purchase on the 2% drop. However, the stock price or crypto price might decline another 2%. So you might want to hold off on purchasing more than two lots in a single day. So in other words, if the price is dropping, you don't want to just keep buying every 2%. You want to wait and let it settle out because it's doing some fluctuations, and it'd be better if you just let that settle down. And it will only do, and you can change these, by the way, minutes required since the last open. That's 60 minutes until last close, 60 minutes. Gives you an hour for let the market kind of see what it's doing, going up or down. Then I've set this to take a profit if it reaches $100. If you got more, obviously, if you've got more to invest, which I do plan on investing more, and I want to get that. I'd like to realize about $2,000 a month additionally. That would help my pocketbook a lot. And this is where you can set your profit goal. You can set it to 3%, 2%, whatever. Then you can set it after a pullback. These are the default settings. I leave everything set as the default in here. That way I can't mess anything up because it's going to work for me. As long as I don't go in here and monkey around, try to close positions and do crazy things, I'll always make money. It doesn't take a losing trade. And so, and when the price drops down 3%, it's going to buy more. And you have the ability to select it from 2 to 5% on the entry and on the exit. Save all settings. It'll spin. And then those settings are now in effect. This is a beautiful system. Now let's go here and look at, you see here, when you go visit crypto.gobaby.com, you will see this screen right here. You can actually use this screen to determine what coins that you might like to trade, because there's trade reports and there's the highest trade counts, and that sample trader, that's what I showed you here on this screen. This is actually a trader of the creator, Mr. Barsano, and I'm sure he has several, but that's a really good one to look at. But he has developed this monthly report that tells you the highest traded currencies. This WSFTC has traded 2,192 times this past month. The monthly average trades is 195. Now you want to know why this is? Oh, did you hear that? I just got a. Oh my gosh! Oh, they got a. All right, Mr. Barsano just took a trade right there. He sold some Doge just now, 12:51 p.m. I have 11:51 p.m. That is great. So if I had some Doge, which I might get some, I will probably It's pretty nice right there. That's pretty nice. You just got that trade. But back to the story. With these trade reports, you can use this to determine which cryptocurrencies that you like to trade. Remember, this trader works on high volatility because it takes trades, buys inventory on the way down and sells inventory off on the way up. So you want something that's got a lot of movement in it. So, and you can select these, like just transfer that, click on the monthly average, and as you can see, Swift is still the first one. XYO, that's another one I selected from using this trade report right here, the highest counts report. And let's see, so WXO for me has created as much as ACH, and only came into WXO probably about a week ago, so it's doing really well. I like to keep spreadsheets on everything. So, all right, back to the counts. So this is a really useful report. So he's always modifying and everything. Now he's not a graphic designer, so he hasn't beautified this platform. And I don't think it's necessary because the information is very clean, very cut and dry. It's not fluffed up with a bunch of colors and lines and graphics and images and things like that. No, this is just the straight meat of the matter right here. It's really nice. This one is the trade reports. Click on trade reports, and this tells you someone had invested $108 and they had actually increased to 122% over a period of 1 year. I wouldn't pay too much attention to this report right here, top 50 traders, because some of this information is not going to be exactly valid, because you see, as you see, this person put $1,824 in, and now he's taken over 100%, but now his ending balance is 161%. Why? Because he threw a couple more thousand into the trader, and that's what I'm going to do. And you can click on view the details. So this person bought Doge and SHIB, and that's how it went. So his profit goal was 2%, add on 2%, max 15. So it's, this is just valuable information for you to use. And you can see your coins over here on your Coinbase. You see your assets. Here's all the coins I'm trading. It shows up right here on your Bitcoin. It's ACH. Now Bitcoin, I don't have it on the trader, but I do have about $341. So on Coinbase, your fees will be decreased just simply because you're using the GoBabyTrade trader, because it works with Coinbase Advance, and you automatically get that with your purchase of GoBabyTrade. And you can see everything's looking like it's going up, so I'll probably be taking some more profits today. And these are the coins I have in my account. As you can see, it uses USDC. It holds that. It's what I have available. It will never use all that money for me to trade with, ever. So I'm protected. Got great cash management. Another feature that you may or may not be aware of is on GoBabyTrade. You can go over here and select the menu and then Coinbase Allow List. I want everybody to do this who has a Coinbase account for your security. So here you'll want to turn on your allow list. What happens with this is if someone gains access to your account and they can come in here and add an address, then your money is gone. But when you use this feature and turn it on, this will allow 48 hours before sending any cryptocurrency to a wallet. So this is a list of cryptocurrency addresses that you have allowed to send funds to. Important note, crypto addresses are asset specific. Do not send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin Cash address, for example, or your funds will be lost. And so you want to definitely turn on this. I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to leave it on. But you can add an address. Somebody can come in here and add an address, and they can select the currency. and they can tell it what to send it to, and then your funds will be gone out of your account. By turning this allow list to on, you will have 48-hour opportunity to go in there and delete that address, and nothing will ever happen to your funds. So keep that in mind for all you Coinbase users, whether or not you're using GoBabyTrade or not. But GoBabyTrade, it's wonderful. I love it. So I'm going to go back to my trader. I do have a discount. This sells for about $4,500 for a 3-year license. It's a little bit steep, but I love it because you don't have to go in and say, oh, I just made a profit, y'all. Look at there. I got another 96 cents as we're sitting here, 97 cents here today. So I made $2.75 so far. I'm so happy. This keeps generating money. You don't have to touch it. You just let it alone. You can go and check what your profits are every day, or see how everything's doing. But other than that, you really don't have to touch it. It's just a set it and forget it passive income for life. It's 3-year license, and you will have to renew that at the end of the 3 years, but it does renew at the same rate that you purchased it at. So it's about $4,500, but with my deep discount code, you can get $1,000 off. You'll be able to get it for $34.99. So I encourage you to think about this. You can go onto the website and look at the trade, follow the sample trader is an actual trader, and just monitor that. And I'm going to be bringing monthly updates at least on my GoBabyTrade to see how I'm doing. Appreciate you guys for joining in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, as I bring more and more information in about the crypto world from a non-crypto expert. So hang in there with me, everybody. Take care. Be sure you subscribe. Click the link below for the discount. And GoBabyTrade also has weekly webinars. So if you'd like to join one of their webinars, which is done by GRT Marketing and another company, they put on the webinars in support of Crypto Casey. I'm an avid Crypto Casey fan. I love her videos. I think she makes a lot of sense. And this product has been phenomenal for me. I mean, it's not like blowing out the water, but as I add more funds into the account, I will definitely be making higher trades. Like I say, my goal is to get to about 2K a month. I think that would be satisfactory for me and my needs. Not looking to, get rich, but just to sustain my lifestyle. Social Security is not going to cut it for me, and I've only got just a couple more years to work, if that. So hopefully by the time that's a couple of years of working is over, account value up, and be making a lot more money than a few bucks a day. So once again, everybody, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep your dreams and your streams alive and well.